right here I've got a HP Stream 11, which is a little netbook that came out a few years back now. It runs a Celeron N2840 with 2 gig of RAM and a massive 32 gig of storage. As you can see, this is a stock Windows install and we've only got 4 gig of free space. So what I'm planning on doing here is installing this and turning it into a Chromebook using the ChromeOS Flex. Let's convert this over. Made the USB. And here we go. Get started. Install. 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 Okay. So far that seems ridiculously easy. So weirdly, when it got to the end of the installation, it just switched itself off. So, get started. I'll connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm going to assume this will ask for a Google account in just a moment. Next. Sign in. So I just clicked on Browse as a guest. Looking at it, we feel very Chrome OS-like. Right now, looking very Android-like down here. But this is being considerably more responsive than if this was running Windows 10. Which doesn't really surprise me, just considering we are a Celeron. Down here, settings, explore, camera, Chrome. So this is going to hopefully breathe some new life into this very useless HP Stream 11. Considering you got to do about 3 months worth of Windows updates and the hard drive is full. Right here, it looks like it's going to have some new life as being running Chrome OS, which certainly doesn't seem too far out of the realm of possibilities considering this is a small 11-inch machine. And this will get a second lease of life. I think this is going to be my go-to OS to put on here rather than Linux Mint or Ubuntu, as it is a bit simpler. And with Chromebooks becoming more popular, then there's definitely a lot more people knowing how to utilize it. Anyway, that's the conversion of this HP Stream 11. Bye.